I don't think there is any sauce that is as flexible as this one. You can use it to eat anything, rice, swallow, plantain, even for fit farm. You could also use it. So without saying much, I'll be showing you guys on how I made this delicious vegetable sauce. So these are the things you'll be needing to prepare this vegetable sauce. The pepper is grounded, roughly blended. I used bonga fish and then onions, seasoning, thyme and curry. Then this here is roughly blended tomatoes, and this is my goat meat, cooked goat meat, and this is crayfish. And of course, the green leaf itself, which is already blanched, I boiled hot water and added to it. I want the green color retained. That's why I blanched the vegetable. So the next thing I'll be doing is to preheat my oil. I'm using palm oil, as you can see, and I added groundnut oil too. This really is a game changer for me. That's why you can be able to use this vegetable to take swallow because of the palm oil, even when you're taking rice, whatever you're pairing with it. So I'll be going in with my onions, allow that to fry for a while. Then I'll go in with my ginger and garlic. I don't think I can cook without my ginger and garlic. Yeah, allow that to cook for a while. Then the next thing I'll be doing is putting in my roughly blended tomato and pepper. So at this point, we are going to be adding our seasoning cube, the dry fish. I used bonga fish, and then crayfish, curry and thyme, so it can bring out the flavors, allow it to incorporate into the tomatoes. As you can see, it's getting together. So we'll allow it to cook for a bit before we'll finally add our blanched vegetable. I love blanching my vegetable. I love that greenish look it gives even after boiling for a while. I just want to see that green leaf in my vegetable. So how do you do yours? Did you just cut and put in like that? I bet you if you try this method, you're not going to try it any other way. You'll be stuck with this. So this is me putting my cooked beef. The next thing I'll be doing is adding the vegetable. So at this point, the stew is almost ready. So it won't cook for a long time since it's already blanched. Just allow it to boil a bit. At this point, I was also boiling my rice behind the scene. I did it behind the camera. Yeah, so our stew is ready. So as you can see, I paired my rice. You can pair yours with anything you want. You can take it out with swallow, yam, plantain, whatever you can think of. Why I love this more than stew is because it's healthy. It's more healthy. Anything healthy just counts me in. Anything healthy food, I am in for it. So guys, come join me. Let's have lunch. This was actually my lunch. So even my kids loved it. They asked for more after eating. That's how I know that the food is delicious. Thank you so much, guys. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again in my next one. Thanks and God bless.